Hi, this is Dean Horn, Director of Marketing with Softing. No doubt you've heard a ton about digital transformation, which unlocks the value of connecting the plant floor to the business enterprise, enabling applications like track and trace, performance monitoring, field device management, quality monitoring, and even recipe downloads for real-time line changeovers, no matter which industry segment you're in. As you embark on this journey, make sure you think about how you get operational data from your Rockwell controllers into your information solutions, such as SQL databases, asset management software, and cloud applications, fully enabling the value of digital transformation. Access to controller data is a fundamental and foundational aspect that impacts your journey while getting started, as you see results, and as you scale. That's why Rockwell Automation has partnered with Softing, and it's why Softing makes Logix in-chassis modules and software solutions to enable this bi-directional data transfer, so you'll be able to move data to and from your information solutions, SQL databases, asset management software, or cloud without OPC protocol translation, without any PCs in the middle, and without writing a single line of code.